Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Have you ever had trouble finding the logout option for Line? Don't worry. Today, we'll show you how to quickly log out of Line on iPhone, Android, and PC. On iPhone. Currently, iOS does not provide a direct logout option. The only way to log out is by deleting and reinstalling the Line app. This allows you to log in again, but be sure to back up your important chat history first. Here's how. Press and hold the Line app icon on your iPhone home screen until options appear. Select Remove App, confirm deletion, and Line will automatically log out. After reinstalling, you can log into another account. On Android. Similarly, Android does not have a direct logout button, but you can log out by uninstalling the Line app. Follow these steps, press and hold the Line app icon. When the options appear, choose Remove or Uninstall. After uninstalling, Line will be logged out automatically. On PC. Method 1, Manual Logout. If you're using Line on your computer, logging out is simple. Open the Line PC version and click the three-dot menu in the lower left corner. Select Logout to successfully exit your account. Method 2, Remote Logout. If you forgot to log out from a public computer, you can remotely log out using your phone. Open Line on your phone and go to Settings. Navigate to My Account Logged In Devices. Find the computer device and tap Log Out to complete the process. If you're concerned about your child's social interactions or your partner's loyalty and want to check their Line messages, MoniMaster Pro is a powerful phone tracking and parental control app for Android and iPhone. It can discreetly track all Line activities, including text messages, call logs, media files, and even provide location tracking. Installing MoniMaster Pro is simple. Just sign up for an account. Follow the instructions to download and install the app. And log into the dashboard to monitor the target device's Line activities. Additionally, the app allows you to record calls, track locations, and monitor chat messages from other apps, helping you gain comprehensive insights into your child's or partner's phone usage. That's all for today's Line logout tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.